Before you use Safari, install this privacy layer first. Firstly, why do you even need an extension or a privacy layer? Safari actually has strong protection built in, intelligent tracking prevention, or fingerprinting protection, hide IP from trackers. But there are scripts that run inside web pages themselves that collect data about your device before Safari blocks everything completely. That's where the extension comes in. Go to the App Store and type OneBlocker and download it. Why this extension specifically? Because it's built specially for Safari, not Chrome. It works using the official content blocking system. It's not a VPN, it's not an alternative browser, it doesn't collect your data. That's a very important point. After installing, you can go with your settings application. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. From apps, you need to scroll down and you'll find a Safari option. Tap on Safari. After that, scroll down again and you'll find the extensions option. Tap on it. Now here you will have all of the one blocker. Let me tell you exactly what to turn on and why without breaking websites. First, very important one blocker is privacy on. This is the most important one. It blocks tracking tools, it reduces fingerprinting, it stops hidden connections to analytic servers, and this is your first line of defense. Second one is one blocker script. That's very important for your privacy. It blocks scripts that track behavior, measure device fingerprint, or collect data. If a specific website breaks, you can disable it just for that site. Third is optional annoyances. It removes cookies, banners, pop-ups, annoying widgets, not essential for strong privacy, but it improves your experience. So after turning them on, you can open up your Safari or open any website on your Safari and go with the AA option, which will be on the bottom, and tap on Manage Extensions. Make sure the extension is active for the site because it might be enabled globally but not allowed on every website. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.